Today we are looking at an Eclipse micro debearder modular unit. This unit comes complete with the debearder stand all the way here to the left, the micro debearder, the Eclipse 324 seed cleaner, and this customer also ordered a second Eclipse 324 seed cleaner. Just going to go over the units in their entirety and show the units before we put them in the shipping container. These particular units are going to Ecuador to be used in malting. Starting here at the elevation stand for the debearder, the small debearder would mount right up on top here, and then the Eclipse would be slid underneath so that the debearder can discharge directly into the surge hopper above the Eclipse. I will roll a screenshot in now from the Clipper website of the unit all put together. Clipper makes a very nice, easy to use debearder system. As you can see here, we have the burp gate with extra weights attached. That changes your dwell time. This unit is equipped with a ball door inverter duty motor. This is just a very, very nice unit. Looking now at the Eclipse, you can see these units are equipped with various options such as the dust box, the variable speed drive here. You can see these are very, very nice units. They're also equipped with the discharge auger for clean product discharge up at waist level. They're very, very nice units all the way around. Here's a look at the data tag. Total horsepower of 2. Units can easily be ran on the farm or in an industrial setting. Here is a look at another unit identical to the first. These are just very, very nice, well-made machines. Clipper has been in the business for a very long time and stands behind their equipment. This complete micro debearder combo unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. We are Clipper seed cleaner dealers. We really enjoy bringing their new equipment in and showcasing it. We wanted to document these units before they go in the shipping container to Ecuador. They're just very, very nice units all the way around and ready to go to work. Please feel free to contact us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below and following the video. Please see all of our other videos for all seed, grain, and feed industrial equipment needs. Thank you for watching.